Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today I want to start a new series. I have bead kits from the 90s and the early 2000s. Some of them have never been opened, and I'm going to open them and show you them. So I have that stack. We're just going to open one at a time. This one's never been opened. And this one is from 95, I believe. Yeah, 95. But this is what the box looks like. And from my knowledge, Candy Kids didn't really come about until the mid to late 90s. So I like to imagine that some of the first bracelets might have been made with this kit here. So if there's anyone from 95, did you have this kit and make candy with it? Let us know. Okay, I have some scissors, and I've never seen what's in here, so this is pretty exciting. It's like Candy Kid Christmas. Oh, there's tape over there. Tape over here. I gotta cut this first. Oh. They're so cute. So there's teddy bear, fish, Scotty dog, some kitties, heart stars, and pony beads. What else is in here? Ooh, collect them all. Okay, so they're different activity. I thought they were all bead kits for a minute. I'm like, uh-oh, we need to find these. Let's see. Okay, so it shows all the different kits that they have. I think we have the best one right here. There's a jewelry maker. Cool. Then it has some, this is like a plastic string, a glitter, that's pretty. And a purple. Ooh, so I feel like we need to sort these. Okay, these are like a different shade purple than than the fishy. They're a little lighter. I'm guessing all the animals go in the middle, because that's like the biggest spot. We'll see. You know what? What's that front look like? I think there's a... Oh, there it goes. There's a picture. So we should sort it like it shows in the front. Like that. So it looks like it has all the animals in the middle. Okay. I need to bring this closer. Okay, guys, I got this a little closer. I'm going to go ahead and sort these to match this picture. I'm going to do it on camera. If you just want to fast forward, you can to the end to see what it looks like. Starting with purple. There's a purple, and it looks like that's in the corner. There's hearts next to the purple. It looks like there's a few different places for the hearts. There's some in this one. Stars are in between the hearts. More stars. Now there's blue pony beads. You know, this blue looks a little darker than most. Okay, the next one is going to be the orange pony beads. I had no idea this wasn't going to be sorted. I mean, that's okay. Guess that's part of the fun, right? Now we have pink. Like, I can already tell there's not an equal amount of the colors. Like, there's a lot of pink. I almost think maybe one of these is supposed to be pink, but they're cut off up here, so I guess we're just gonna have to do our best, right? So I'm gonna make a slot for pink. Or maybe I'll do it next to the purple, because this looks like a lighter purple, like these, the kitty and the teddy bear. But they didn't give me any pony beads that shade. Okay, next one we're gonna do green pony beads next to the pink. Okay. Oh, you know what? There's some animals in these too. Okay, well, let's do the hearts next. Hearts. And then it looks like they put a couple teddy bears in here. Two little... Oh, wait. Kitties are over there. So basically everything lays flat. And then there's fishies. Oh, you know what? Oh no, that string's not in there. Okay. Stars. And there's more hearts. And stars. So what it looks like, they did the opposite on each side. So there's hearts, stars, hearts, stars. Oops. I have extra hearts, so I'm thinking this corner that we can't see might have been hearts. Or stars. I don't know. All I have left are yellow. Okay, that's everything. See, I'm like wondering if this should be able to fit in there. Okay, guys. That's what it looks like. Oh, it's cute. and it's nice and organized and ready to go. I hope you guys enjoy this series, and I'll see you next time.